Would you like greater results in your life? Are you working with the laws of nature in order to create those results? This video is for you if you would like to produce new results in your life soon. Imagine a farmer who believes in the law of nature, who understands that when you plant a seed and you nurture that seed and the sun shines and the rain, and that farmer absolutely believes in the laws of nature, that seed come harvest season is going to produce a crop or a result. So there's a farmer that absolutely believes in the law of nature for a seed to become a crop. Now imagine that same farmer who gets to harvest season and says, yeah, I believe in the laws of nature and I'm expecting my crop, but I never planted seeds. In other words, I didn't do my part to abide by the laws of nature. And as ridiculous as that may sound when speaking about a farmer, this is what we do in our own lives. We are demanding this harvest of new results, greater abundance. We want greater vibrancy. We want that meaningful work. But we forget to do the powerful work in the beginning of planting the seeds, which is our visioning work. It's the goal-setting work. And we're demanding of the laws of nature that we want the harvest, but we haven't done our part. We haven't abided by those laws, which say you must know what you want and where you're going. And maybe that's where you're at right now. You know you want more in your life. You know that you want a different harvest or greater results. And it's time for you to plant those seeds, to really take the time to write that vision, to get greater clarity on what it is that you want to create. And that's exactly what we are doing at this upcoming vision workshop. It is time dedicated to you to work with the laws of nature and apply those laws of nature of how do we create results in our life. There is a proven, repeatable, predictable system that when we apply it in our lives, we can guarantee a different harvest. We can guarantee different results, but we have to work with that system. And step one of that system is really defining what you would love to create in your life. And so if you can imagine, 6 months from now, a year from now, what harvest do you want to be reaping? What rewards do you want to have in your life? And why not take some time to plant those seeds so that you can nurture them over this next while to really create new results? Get registered today. This is a powerful 3 days dedicated to unpacking this proven, repeatable system and applying it in your life so that you can create greater results. I hope to see you there so we can create a life you love living.